Sanibonani. I have some good news to share. I've just received my visa for Australia. Australia, I am coming to make love to you. It's gonna be so much fun. May, we get there on the 4th until the 12th of May. If you are in Australia or you know anyone that's in Australia, please tell them about the show. The link is gonna be below with all the exact dates and the cities and the venues and the link to buying the ticket. We are coming as the South African Comedy All-Stars. The lineup is gonna be myself, Thenjiwe, Eugene Koza, Mark Banks and Alfred Riyad. Please make sure you buy your tickets because you do not want to miss this. This is the best of comedy out of South Africa. It's going to be so much fun. It's going to be lekker. And the comedy is not just for South Africans. And I am so excited because it's going to be my first time going to Australia. So I'm looking forward to doing all the fun stuff in Australia. And make sure you check out my videos because I'm going to be vlogging and I'm going to be posting and sharing my Australian experience with you guys. I'm really excited. It's my first time going to Australia, guys. When I say from Guamashu to the world, now it also includes from Guamashu to Australia. Comedy is not a joke.